Hello friends, I am Dipanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Dipanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and this is a writing a triangle formed pattern, and in this pattern we print our alphabet instead of numbers. So firstly we used nested for loop to create this pattern, and in this pattern outer for loop is used to move rows, and inner for loop is used to move columns. So firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take 1 as a lower limit and 6 as a upper limit. So this pattern will move, this outer for loop is moved from 1 to 5, and in inner loop we take 1 as a lower limit, 0 as a upper limit, and -1 as a step value. And inside this inner loop we print j variable of inner loop plus 64, and we typecast the j variable into character type because we print alphabets instead of numbers. And outside the inner for loop we use empty print function for cursor to the next line. So I hope you understand that how to create this pattern, and it is a easiest way to draw this pattern. And in this pattern, in each column we print A to capital E in a rectangle triangle formed. So if you have any doubt related to this pattern or query, you can ask me, because in this pattern this is a column wise alphabet pattern that print capital A to capital E in first column, and in second column capital A to capital D print it, and in third column we print capital A to capital C, and in fourth column we print capital A to capital B, and in last column we print capital A in a right angle triangle formed. So if you have any doubt related to this pattern, you go through the particular playlist and you go through the particular video of this pattern. And thank you so much and have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thanks for watching. And I hope you all really enjoyed this pattern series from scratch. It is totally for beginners who want to learn pattern programming from scratch. Have a good day.